Tired of those relentless spam calls, telemarketers, or that one person who just won't quit? I'm Protech and in this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to permanently block any number on your iPhone and, just as important, how to unblock them later. Let's start with the fastest way to block a number that just called you. That is step 1. Open your phone app and go to the Recents tab. As you can see, I am in my Recents tab. If you started your keyboard, you can navigate to Recents tab from the down option here. And then choose the number which you want to block. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. You will see an option in red that says block this caller. Tap it, and then once you click on this block contact, this number would get permanently blocked. They can no longer call, text or FaceTime you. Simple as that. Now step 2. What if the number is already saved as a contact? For this, you have to go to the Contacts app or the Contacts tab inside your phone number. Then you have to choose a number which you have to block, and then the same, just scroll all the way to the bottom. As you can see, we have this block caller over here. Just click on it, and once you click this, you can block the contact. Now what if you make up with them or accidentally blocked the wrong person? You need the master block list. To access the master block list, you have to navigate to settings. Once you're in the settings, search for phone. Inside the phone, if you scroll down, you can see an option known as blocked contacts. Once you click this, you can find the contacts which you blocked. Now to unblock someone, all you got to do is tap edit in the right corner, which you can see over here, and then if you click on this minus icon over here, you can instantly unblock them. They are instantly free to communicate with you again. If you want to automatically stop calls from any number not saved in your contacts, now this is going to be a bonus which I'm going to be showing in this video. Now go back to settings and search for silence unknown callers. Once you go here and turn on this, no unknown number will be able to contact you. It will send them straight to voicemail without ringing. Now with these methods, you have complete control over who reaches you on your iPhone. If this video helped you achieve some much needed silence, hit that like button, subscribe to Protech and let me know in the comments which number you're blocking first.